Good morning everyone. In our previous lecture we already discussed the main three divisions of the biology. Now the further branches are discussed today. Number one is morphology. Morphology is actually the combination of two words. One is the morpho, another one is the logy. Logy means the study, and morpho. What is the meaning of morpho? Morpho is actually the study of forms and structure. So morphology is a branch which deal with the study of form and structure of living organism. Form and structures of living organisms. The next one is anatomy. It's about the internal structure. Anatomy means internal structure study. Okay. The third one is histology. Histology is again combination of two words. Histo is a word which is derived from the microscopical study. So histology is a branch in which we study the tissues under the microscope. Okay. The next one is cell biology. It's a branch which is related with the cell, the structure of the cell, plus the organelles which are present in the cell, like the ribosome, mitochondria, and the other one. Another thing, it is also related with the cell division, mitosis and meiosis. The study of these all things are in this branch, the cell biology. The fifth one is genetics. The study of genes and their role in the inheritance of character. Inheritance of character means the transmission of characters from first generation to the next. Mean to say from parents to offspring. These all things are studied in the genetics. The next one is embryology. Embryo means new individual. Mean to say it is a study of development of new individual. Maybe a baby or a baby plant, both. In human beings and in plants, both studies are called in embryology. The next one is seventh one, taxonomy. Taxonomy is related with the classification of organism. What is the meaning of classification? Classification is related. Classification means the arrangement of organism into groups or subgroups. Okay. The next one is paleontology. Number 8. Paleontology, the word paleontol is related with the study of fossils. Okay, and those organisms which are not present now. There are only some dead material under the earth. Okay, this study is in this branch, the paleontology. The next one is ninth one, environmental biology. Environmental biology. It is actually an interaction between what? Between the organism and environment. A lot of factors are related in this nowadays. Pollution plus concentration of carbon dioxide is increasing, greenhouse effect, all are. Included in this branch, study in this branch. Another one is sociobiology. Again, combination of words. This is a branch which deal with the social behavior. Social behavior of what? It's a social behavior of animals' life. Biology means life. It's a social behavior of animals in our society. The next one is parasitology. What is parasitology? Firstly, we must know about the parasite. What are parasites? These are the organisms that take food and shelter from living organism, living host. Host may be human being or other. In return, they become harmful for them. Just like an example of them is malarial parasite, which cause a malaria. Malarial parasite, which cause malaria. Okay, these are always harmful for the host. In malaria, when the person is affected by this parasite, he is suffering from this fever. The next one is main branch, very important, biotechnology. Nowadays, everyone is conscious to make the vaccine for the coronavirus. These all are related with the biotechnology. Actually, what is biotechnology? The biotechnology is actually the practical application. It's a practical application. It's a practical application of living organism to make substances or make vaccines and other these type of the things, the plasma and all others, for the welfare of mankind. These all are in this branch. Okay, 9th one, 10th, 11th and the 12th one. Okay, the another one is immunology. Immunology is related with your immune system. Immune system, the defense system, your body army. Okay, immune system is your body army. Immune system of animals, and it's a system which defends the body against the microbes. Microbes, what are microbes? Microbes mean virus, bacteria, those who create the disease. These all are microbes. Actually, immunology is a study of immune system. Immune system is a defense system which defends the body against the invading microbes. Okay. Another one is pharmacology and the Another is the molecular biology also. Molecular biology is a branch which is related with the biochemistry. And for the molecules of the life, like the macromolecules and the micromolecules. The macromolecules, the bigger molecules like the protein, carbohydrates and nucleic acid. Pharmacology, the study of the drugs, and it is totally about the branches of the biology.